Hello everybody, my name is Huang Yang, and I will introduce optical phenomena which is called refraction. So as you can see, the water in the reflection is composed by different color of later. That is the and natural phenomena which is reflection, like you see the rainbow in the nature. So light, what is light? Light is just like a ray. So in the ray property, there are two phenomena. It's very famous. One is reflection. Reflection is a little easy than the refraction. So when you shine a flashlight on the mirror, you can see the incident angle is equal to the refraction angle. So this is we call a reflection. And another phenomena is refraction. So let's do the first experiment. While the left-hand side arrow will change the direction to the left-hand side. And the answer is, if the object is an arrow like that, the light is go straight line in the image plane. But if you pour water into the glass, the water is the different material with the air, so the light will bend in different material. Then you can see the reverse arrow from the image plane to the with the object plane. And this is the basic principle with the camera. When you take a picture, you want to take a picture with this object on the image plane, then we use some lens set up a lens between the object and image, which is like the picture I showed before. So the principle of the reflection is like that. So when you shine a light from a different material, if we call the air is less dense and the water is more dense, so the light will bend in different angle. If you think about like a column of marching troop, the walking from the concrete to the swamp, the left soldier will go to the concrete will go to the swamp first, but the right soldier doesn't go to the swamp. So the left soldier will bend first, but the soldier on the right hand side doesn't notice that. So he will keep the same speed like in the concrete. When he go to the swamp, then he will change the direction. So that is the cartoon picture. You can think about the light is reflection between the different material. And if you see the black dot in this diagram, you can see the light is coming from this way and the reflection by this way. And if I use the continuous graph fire, you can see the light is coming from the air first and go to the water second, and the light is bent. And actually, when you shine a white light from the air to another different material, the different color will disperse. So this is another phenomena, but I just want to show actually the white light is composed by different color. It's compared to my first light, which I use the different color to represent the reflection word. So let's come to the experiment 2. When you when you take a pen and put it into the water, what do you see? So again, because the object is go through the different material from the air to the water, so the light will bend from this direction to this direction. But for our eyes, we only can see the straight line. So we will suppose the pen is here. This is we call the sight, and this is the light direction. And this is the very important principle, which is called reversibility. It means light can go through from this direction or in vice versa from this direction to this direction, use the same path. So in the previous slide, I put a light in the air or the less dense material. But what happens if I put a light and increase the instant angle from the more dense material to the less material? So you can see if the instant angle is 0 degree, then it doesn't happen. But if I increase the instant angle from 26, 30, 40, and 60 degree, the light will bend more until it goes through the 90 degree. So this is we call the critical angle here. When the instant light will increase more than the instant angle, then the light will go through the reflection and doesn't reflection anymore. And this is the very important phenomena, which is called total internal reflection. So there are a couple of features in this total internal reflection. The first one is only occur when the light travel from the more dense material to the less dense material. And the light no longer any reflection and just reflection. So let's go to the experiment 3. If I shine a light to a glass, you can see the light is go from the air to the glass. But when I increase the instant angle, maybe my finger block the here. Yeah. So you can see the light is in the total go through the total internal reflection in the glass in this point. So if you want to see more clear demo or different a similar demo, you can watch out these 2 videos. So the principle of fiber is based on this work. Let me show another experiment. You can see when I use a flashlight, go to the fiber, the light is come from the button, and all of the light will occur the total internal reflection. So you can see all of the light will come in from all of the node. Yeah, it's beautiful, right? Okay. So this is the basic idea if I use the fiber into the global undersea network. Like I showed in the previous experiment, each of the origin line in the slide is represent one fiber. So the light will go through different country from the American to Europe. And that's why we use this fiber to transfer the information. In the American, you can see the different green knot from the Phoenix to New York, because when we transfer light from go through the fiber, the information the signal will decrease. So we need use some amplifier to increase the signal. And moreover, why we don't use electric to transfer signal? Because electric decrease the signal very quickly by using the copper wire. So that's why in modern optics we develop some fiber to transfer the information or signal to another country. That's why you can use internet right now very quickly. So this is my presentation. Thank you.